Bottom side has rubber feet, top side has no rubber feet. Pull this tab, open the door, pull up this latch to release and push from the front through here to slide back any attached devices that are in that slot. Hard drive is here. You pull up these two plastic tabs, disconnect the cables from the back, and then most of them have a little wire tie. Two tabs on the end of the memory. These tabs here. There are two screws on both sides of this plastic housing. Rotate it forward and it comes right off the little plastic bracket here. Here's the processor. You pull this clip up and then rotate this and the processor comes out. Screws in the back for the power supply. Power supply slides forward and comes out. To remove it, you have to remove this cable ties. There's another one of these. And there's a clip here for the main power cord for the motherboard. And then another clip to get this cable out. This is the cooling fan and housing that takes the air out of the front of the computer. This is the socket where the main processor goes. Under here and here are two additional processors on the board. One of them is the graphics processor. These ports here are for adding expansion cards, which could be for video cards or network cards or modems. On the rear are input-output I/O ports. There can be any variety of ports on a computer depending on what a person wants. These are the memory slots. This is the heatsink that cools the main processor. There's a heatsink here also. This is the main processor, central processing unit.
The motherboard.
This whole board here is referred to as the motherboard. This is a floppy disk drive, a hard disk drive, a power supply, and a stick of memory, also referred to as RAM memory.